Hi guys, hope you are all fine. Today's tutorial will be doing turban head wrap. Yeah, so that is how you will start from the back and you turn the other hand. Make sure you hold it tight. Even the front also, make sure you hold it tight. Yeah, hold it tight. Yeah, so I'm just trying to reduce. I change the hand. Yeah, so I change the hand. Instead of the other side, I prefer this side. So you can choose any one of the side, either the left or the right. Okay, make sure you tight it very well. Yeah, tight it well. Then start twisting this hand. You twist it very well. All right, take it to the back. Take it to the back, and then you put it inside. That is it. So the front one, so I'm just trying to arrange some steps to that place. Yeah, I'm just trying to arrange some step there. So guys, now this one, I now put it on top her. That's how you flip it. Yeah, so you put it inside. You put it inside. So you put it inside. Make sure you do it very well so that place can be tight. Alright guys, so I'm trying to adjust it very well. I'm trying to adjust it. Alright guys, for the returning viewers, thank you so much. And if you're just seeing my video for the first time, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. So I'm just trying to adjust that place very well. Yeah, hope you can see it. So simple and neat. See you in my next video. Bye.